All right. So today I'm gonna do this technical analysis with you guys. Trying to find you guys an entry point for this trade and that profit target. So let me see what's going on right now. 4-hour time frame in the BTC market. Oh, let me move this right here. So as you can see, we had a correction in the market. Ended up going pretty low to 42,900. So right now, people might be thinking it's about to go up, but this is what I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. It's going to go there. There's going to be a false break, and then we're going to go down here. We're going to do a double bottom. So right here in this support box is where you need to find your entry position. But you got to be careful because with the things going on right now, the market could head down. But I can't see that happening. What I'm seeing right now is a good opportunity to enter around the 44,000 and 42,000 area. It will, once it comes down here, it'll start going back up. It's gonna bounce and then it's gonna go up. So next target will be, my next target area is gonna be around here. I'm gonna put a box right here so you know. Yeah, write it for you. See that right now. Take profit. Boom. Got you right here, man. Take profit area right here. Anywhere around this zone is going to be a good take profit place. I'm going to write another one right here. So this will be entry zone right here. This is going to be the entry zone. Right now, entering a trade, I wouldn't enter right now because I know that it's going to come back down here and do a double bottom. I could be wrong, but my probabilities are it's going to head back down. It's got to go back down here, retest this. It might not go as low as the low there, but that's how we're going to know. If it doesn't go as low as here, then we're good. It shows it made a higher low, but we're not there yet. So we got to be patient and wait for this trade to happen. Not the best at doing these lines to show you what's going on, but let me see this one second. I'm going to remove that. All right. So let's say you enter a trade here, anywhere in the between. Put the volume down on there. So right here, anywhere in this zone be a good trade entry. But if you enter a trade here and you see it goes lower than there, about here, I'm gonna put right here. Stop loss. So right here. If you see it at that level, boom, out the trade. Right now, good entry price, around 44,000 and 42,000. But if you see it 44, wait to see if it keeps going down. If you see it to 42 and you see it start going back up, I'm gonna enter around here 100%. I'm gonna enter my trade here and my target is gonna be here. But you can take profit first, take profit here and another. I'll give you another point to take profit. The 50,000 range. Profit. Right here. Boom. This is where you're going to want to take profit the first time. So you're gonna see this happen right here. It's gonna end up going back down. It might even go lower than my support box, but it's still a good entry position. It will bounce back up. Here. Might break out right away. Boom. After that, we all know it's got to come back and retest the support zone. Once it retests the support zone, this is where we're going to know if our trade is strong. But we already be able to take profit once, right here. If it breaks down past here, oops, fix that up a minute. If it breaks down past this zone right here, and it keeps going, I'm gonna start looking on getting out the trade, but I can't see it keep going down right now. The market's been really bullish. It just needed a good correction. As I said in my last video, when I took the profit, I said a correction was happening. If you look, a correction did happen. Everybody was bullish about all-time highs, talking all that bullshit, thinking they know everything. They're hopeful. They're dreaming. That's the thing. This ain't about dreaming. It's about probabilities. It's about how it usually goes. So I can see right now, it's going to go back down, retest here. But once it goes back up, it's going to make the W pattern. Once you see that W pattern with a higher low and a higher high, we're on point. So this will be the last take profit for me, where I'm going to look to get out the trade and re-enter. I don't know where I'm going to go from there. From right now, this is what I'm seeing. Entry zone. 44,000, 42,000. In between there is a good spot to enter. Your stop loss should be at 40,000. I don't think it'll go down there, but probabilities are it can happen. But I believe this is what's happening right now. So if you want to take a good trade signal, this is what I do. Be patient. Don't enter right now. Wait to see what's going to happen. Get a better position at 44 and 42,000 and just be patient. But if you see it go down here, 40,000, that's not much of a big loss and we're still safe. So in the end, I'm very bullish on this market, but it's still correcting. It's not done correcting. There's going to be a double bottom pattern forming, and then we're going to see the W going up, and that's what we love to see. That's what I love to see. So this was going on with Bitcoin. The stochastic RSI is showing a buy signal, but if you go on the 1 hour, it's on the 4 hour, but on the 1 hour, it's showing a sell signal, okay? So that's where I see there's going to be our double pattern form. We got to wait for this one, the 1 hour, to hit the bottom. And then, since the 4 hour is a buy signal, patiently waiting for the 1 hour to comply with it. So, very bullish on this. We got to be patient, though. Be patient. All right, now let's go check what's going on with Ethereum. We got a hammer pattern forming, but let's go into 1 hour first. Let's go see what's going on the hour. On the hour time frame, the stochastic RSI is showing that soon there's going to be a buy signal, a sell signal, sorry. On the 4 hour, even on the 4 hour, is going pretty high, showing that it's almost overbought. So let's see what's going on. Ethereum, I see more potential on Bitcoin right now. Ethereum's got a little ways to go. But same for Ethereum. I got my support box right here. This would be my entry zone. I might even bring it a little higher or better right here. Okay. So anyway, anywhere in this zone would be a good entry point. Write it down for you. Entry zone. Entry zone. Oh. right here. Anywhere around this is going to be a good entry zone. I can see this free coming down. Same thing as Bitcoin. Retest the zone. I'm not even sure it's going to go that low. We could even get it. We could even put our entry zone a little higher, but I'm more the safe type of person. I want to see how it goes. After this, we're going to see this. I don't know what's going to happen once we get up here. But right here, I'm going to put a resistance box. Boom. Resistance box right here. Might even put that one red. Fuck it. Red. Boom. Right. So if you enter right here at 3,100, let's say 3,100, and at 2,900, and let's say 50. That's that around those is a good entry point. And if you want to know where to take your profit, I'm gonna tell you right now what I'm gonna do. Right here. Oops. Take profit right here. Take profit. Boom. Right there. Then clone this one, put it right up here. It'll be my next take profit. This is what I see happening right now. I've been pretty good with my analysis. If you look at my last videos, the first time I did a video on it, I didn't do it in the same manner as this. But if you go even look on my trading view, I published what was going to happen. I'm usually good with my technical analysis. It took me a long time to get good with my trading because I was good at it with my analysis, but I wasn't good at controlling my impulses, right? Which is a big problem for traders. You got to get good at controlling yourself, discipline. Wait for your trades. Understand the patterns that are building. And right now, this is what I'm seeing. And if all goes correct, it's going to be a good trade to get in. If it does what I think it will do, which I'm usually right. Right here, you're going to see the inverse head and shoulder. And we're going to make some money. So let's see on the 1 hour what's going on right now. So yeah. Let's see, right here. So there'll be about 5-day process to get to our last take profit. It'll be about another day before we get our entry position. Unless you want to enter now. If you enter on a margin trade, don't put too much margin because they're going to liquidate you quick. That's for sure. I learned that a long time ago. And I blew up my fucking accounts. That's for sure. So that's how I learned to get patience on my entry position. So another day before we get our good entry zone. But who knows? The market could fucking go down hard today. But I'll give it about another. I'll be watching them a lot in the next 24 hours. So I'll be letting you guys know what's going on. So let's see right here what's going on with. I've been doing really good with iOS. It's been trending hard since the beginning. Ever since the market correction, the last big crash, it came back up. Now it keeps going up. It keeps going up. Even the stochastic RSI is showing it's about to keep going, pumping up. So right here I see it as a good long-term investment. You can win trades with it. You can do whatever you want. But right here, let me see what's going on. Let me do a technical analysis for you guys to find you guys a good entry position. From my levels. Boom. So right now, we're gonna see it come back down right here. All right, boom. Resistance box. a resistance box. Let's do put our support one. Always good to do these support and resistant boxes. Very good guide. Very good guide to see what's going on. And don't make moves till you see it reach your boxes. That's the important thing, right? So right here, I don't know if it'll reach there again. I can see it really. What I would make it as an entry position for this one, entry zone. Entry zone, boom. Good entry zone. I feel my entry zone is gonna be around. This is a good entry zone, I think. It's been trending good. Right here. Okay, a little double top forming right here. So yeah, it should go back down here. Actually, let me check this out. So once it hits the entry zone, don't enter right away. Don't enter right away. Because so usually when it goes down, it goes back up, then it goes back down one more time. So I'm gonna change the name of this one to a possible entry zone. But I don't think, I'm not sure on this one if this will be the best entry zone. If not, let's see this. This will be the primary strong point of entry. Strong entry zone. That's what I'm going to put it as. Strong entry zone right here. Boom. If I enter this trade, I'm already in it. I've been in it since it's been 1 cent. So I took profit a couple of times, but I've been in it. I would hold this one. I would hold this one. Possible that one day when it corrects, that it'll go back to around the 2 cents, 3 cents, but that's really not a worry to me because it's a trending. This one is a trending coin. Like there's a lot of potential in this one. I did my research. Do your own research. But if it bounces off this level right here, because it got strong support right there, if you can tell. Right here, this is a strong support. Big possibility that we're going to get a bounce back up from here. But right now, I see short-term correction. It's not going to be long. And once it's here, if it does not keep going down to here, if that don't happen, we're good. Right here, you could take profit at 10 cents because that's my next level of I'm going to take profit at. So I'm going to write it down for you guys. Take profit. Caffeine in me. All right, this will be my next take profit zone. So about the stop loss, that's what you're probably wondering. On this one, I don't got no stop loss because I'm holding on to it anyway. So, but if you're gonna have a stop loss, put it right about here. Depending on the entry zone you put. If you took this as an entry zone, I will put it right here. Put my stop loss around right here. You can pick where you choose to set it, either here or there. But that will be the zone for your stop loss. They each their own, what they're willing to lose or what they're willing to make as a stop loss. So right here, we got our strong entry zone at 4 cents. 4 cents and yeah, you see right here. And then there's the possible entry zone. This is where I'm gonna be looking to enter again to add to my trade, because I can see it. I see a lot of support here, which is giving me confidence on a bullish movement. It's been bullish for the last while now. So let's see the daily. Let's look at the daily chart. We had a major correction here, but look how much it moved up. Look at this. Look at the beauty in this. So I'm telling you right now, this one's trending and it's been trending. Good things to come for IOs. See what's going on with SHEB. SHEB got a messy chart going on. Wow. This is the daily chart. Actually, we went to I know we hadn't seen this low. It's actually hitting a lower low. Well, for all the SHEB believers out there, they better start buying. They better start finding some more people for their ecosystem. Let me see. Let's see what these trend lines, what it's going to do. Right here. Boom. False break right here. I already had a hard time here, but from what I'm seeing, the RSI is showing that it's about to move up. The stochastic RSI is showing about to be a buy signal. That's on a daily chart. So let me go check the 1 hour time frame. Already been a rejection candle, but actually, oh, look at this good cup handle. Okay, so we got a cup handle forming right here. So that's very bullish. It's not done forming. It might still go around this area. So pay attention right here for those who buy SHEB. I can see it go back there, but it's possible that it won't go back there. It's possible that it's just gonna start moving up from here. So I'm a little indecisive on this one because it could be a good entry right now, depending. I think we gotta wait more for this one. We gotta wait more for this one. Could be a good entry right now. But this will be more my entry zone right here. Right here. Oh, this be more my entry zone. All right. This is more my entry zone. We're going to 4 hour to find where we're going to take our profits. We're going to move up all the way here. Okay. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. Take profit. Boom. Let's see. Take profit. So that'll be the first take profit right here. I'm gonna set a stop loss. I would set it about here. Boom. Stop loss right here. Boom. Okay, so I will put my stop loss around here. It would still be a pretty good loss. It'd be all depending on what happens here. This could be not the best entry zone. If it, we'll see what happens from there. I'm not going to be quick to add a position here because I could I'm indecisive on this one, guys. Very indecisive. There's two entry zones here. Wait, see what happens here. Because it's possible that it's just gonna blow up from here. So we'll see what's going on. I'm not gonna give too many details on this one because I'm indecisive. So let's move to another one. Let's see what's going on with BNB. Okay, so we're waiting to see what's gonna happen here. See, if you look, you got the W going up right here. Boom, let me send that trend line. Very much possible I can see this coming back down and retesting here. Right here, boom. I can see this happening right now. I wouldn't enter the trade right now. I'm not saying that it's not gonna boost up and go right up to the top, but all I'm saying I wouldn't enter the trade here. Right here is too risky, but even though there's the W that I'd like to see, I'm not sure about the strength in it. Could be a false break, but if it does go up, I'll miss out on this trade, whatever. It's not what I'm looking at right now for myself today. I can't see this start. Well, this right here is a possibility. But from what I see right here, I already see a double bottom. Okay. So possibility that it will move up from here, but my opinion, we're going to see a drop in the price. And this should be the entry point right here. I would enter the trade. I would enter around here. And I would set my stop loss. Stop loss. I'll put my stop loss around here. So you're gonna do it this way. It's gonna go through the trend line, but I know it's gonna come back and retest. So this is what we're gonna see right here. There we're gonna see a retest. This is where we got to be careful. Once it retests here as the support, what's going on right now, I'd be careful, but I enter here, take profit here. Take profit here. I would wait after this one. I would wait to see where it goes and bounces back up. I'm not gonna say where we should add to our position, but I'm saying this is where I would enter. I'm not gonna enter anywhere around here. So this will be my entry zone right here. Stop loss right there. I don't work with no stop loss. I'm my own stop loss, but it's good to have a stop loss. If you're not aware and you're not on time, you can take a lot of loss. I took losses with no stop loss, but I don't like taking losses from a stop loss. I don't like getting stopped out when I know where I'm going, when I know where the direction of the trend. So right now, been consolidating. So I'm bullish on this. I'm very bullish on everything. Right now, the market looks bullish, but it's not done consolidating. So you got to be patient for your entry zone. Entry zone right here, 390, 380. Good entry zone. Take profit. 450, 460. Your choice, you decide. I'm gonna aim for right here, 450. I don't care if I lose out on more, because I'm happy with a little bit of profit I made. I made a little profit here, a little profit there. That's up to a lot of profit in the end. So they each their own on their trading direction. And even look here, the stochastic RSI on 1 hour, it's high. I can see it come down. So anyways, this is my analysis for today. Let me check XRP for fun. Let me see what's going on with XRP. Same thing for XRP. Same thing for XRP. Everything's going on the same. The market always moves the same way as the Bitcoin, whatever is going on. And then there's the ins and outs of the certain ones that keep pumping. But right now, this was going to happen. This is what I see happening right here. Going to come down, go back up right here. Same thing as all the other ones. That's what I'm seeing right now. It's one of my best patterns to trade after a correction. I wait for this, but we still got to be careful. We still got to be careful because there's a lot of false breaks. And it could still go a lot lower. We've seen this plenty of times. We've seen this plenty of times. So the daily chart is really showing that it's about to start moving up again. So be patient on your entry. That's all I can say. Be patient on your entry. Be patient, wait and see. I'm gonna give you where I'm gonna enter right now. I would enter around, this would be around my entry position. Okay, entry, oops. This would be my entry zone. Entry zone. Entry zone. Around here. So this would be my take profit over here. First take profit right here. But then I'm gonna exit the trade completely right here. When I take my profit, I'm gonna exit the trade completely and wait to see what's going on. So that's about it for today. If you'd like to see any more technical analysis, I'm gonna be doing them daily now. And if you have any other coins you'd like for me to do a technical analysis, let me know. If you'd like to see my trading view, and if you'd like to follow my, if you'd like to see my publications on a lot of my technical analysis, my account DKP's Maritime Crypto right here. See that? Boom, search me up, follow me. You're gonna get all my analysis and publications. So just look at this one. This is one I want to show you right now. So this is the analysis I did a few days ago. I said stop loss at 48,000. I said entry zone for a long trade right here. 40, it was at 49 and 50,000. That was my entry zone. Okay, look what happened. Let's see what happened. Boom. Okay. Exactly what I said. Look, right here. Boom. My take profit was here. I took profit. I got out the trade. Then, 1 sec, I'm getting a phone call. Hello. Somebody called me Mr. Sally. So anyways, let's get back to this now. Sorry about that. So if you zoom in, you see my entry zone right here. Okay. And I said my take profit was going to be at this level. So look what happened. I patiently waited. I patiently waited. I patiently waited. And look, it went here. Take profit. Boom. I'm out. Took my money. Don't care about this little bit that I didn't get. So as I said, up, it goes down. Okay. Look at that. It went down, but it went lower than I expected, that's for sure. But I don't know why I can't see. I wrote somewhere that I was going to add in my position. Not written there, don't know why. But it's all good though. If you look on my YouTube video, you can see where I said we're going to add to the position. But I think this was around here. I said I was going to look for a spot to add for my position. And I said I wasn't going to add. I was going to look for a point to add to my position. And I did not add to my position. So therefore, I didn't lose on none of this. It was all profits. So if anybody's interested on any more technical analysis, let me know. And I'll be posting more videos. Like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. You already know DK Beast.